What's good, everybody? So, yeah, as you can see, there's quite a few executions here, and I won't lie, I tried to short London highs twice. Obviously, we're just bull running the crap out of today, and it goes even higher, as you can see. So, like, what happened? I really wasn't paying attention to order flow. I had a level like right here, and I figured we'd sweep London highs, have a little SMT, take a short off of that, and then it would work. But unfortunately, that doesn't really work when you have bullish orders going completely against everything. So we took a loss here, a loss here. Oh, that was a break even here because I just went break even after $100. And then this one right here, I was like, you know what? We're obviously bullish. At this point, I was down, I believe, like $500. Let me switch to my other account on Trade. At this point, we were down. Yeah, so we lost 230 on this one. 230 on this one. 250 on this one. So we're staying within our risk. And then I kind of broke a rule after 2 trades, losing $500 in a day. I'm done for the day. And this one, we got break even, which was 15. And then I was like, screw it, let's go long. And I went long, and we made 650. So on the day total, we're up $181 across all 3 of the accounts, which is great in a sense that, we're up, but obviously that's not good for psych. That's not good for really anything at all. It's not good that I did that. So I basically went on a tilt, came up positive, and now I really need to actually, not do that. I was really confident in this week, and I think that's what kind of cooked me. I was really confident. I was like, you know what? I'm going to come into the market. We're going to only take what I think is A+. First one, thought it was great. Except I wasn't looking at order flow, so that's not even A+. I was just trading, looking at the charts. And then I guess that just broke the psych, and I was like, you know what? I can do it again because I know I'm right. And then that did not work again. So then I did it a third time, got break even, and then I was like, let's just ride the wave of being bullish, which kind of proves that coming into the market, instead of not looking for a bias, because I was always like, you know what, I don't need a bias, because doing this strategy is all about catching the reversal, like catching this right here. But the odds of, how do I want to say this? So the odds of catching a reversal on a high time frame, as you can see, is super low. Like, where in there is even, there's not even a reversal in here anywhere. And that bottom ticked. That's pretty cool. Even on the 1 hour, how are you going to find the 5 minute? You're looking at the 5 minute time frame trading it. How are you going to look at that and see the reversal? You're not. Of the higher time frame. So I need, what I'm trying to say is I need to establish a bias before I get into the market in the morning. I'm sitting here and I'm like, okay, there's a level there, there's a level there. I'm going to just take it and then go short or long, depending on where price is coming from. I had, very close friend. He caught this right here. I was like this. I think that's about right. I was like this. Let me do this. Trading minis. $250 risk, 1 contract, like this. So this is my position right here. He had the same level. He went long when this came back down and tapped the level. And boom, within a second, not even a second. I mean, what is this, a minute? 1 minute right there. Full TP, $500, one and done for the day. Didn't have to go on a tilt like I did. that kind of thing. So I mean, I'm just ranting at this point about myself. Established bias is basically what he told me. That's what he told me, and appreciate you for that. So, yeah. And then on a different account, I pretty much just, I'll show you. I'm not too proud of it, but that's this account. Basically, all I was doing was reading order flow, and every time I got up to $100, I would just go break even. So there's a win, there's a win, there's a break even win, break even win. We were just longing this all the way up as it was going up, catching the little, it would pull back, go up, pull back, go up. So on that account, which I sniped today, I got the account today. I'm up $1,161.72. Now, if you're new and you're seeing this is not how I normally trade. I just figured, it's a new account. I don't really care about it. Let's have fun with it. So that's what I did. And I did that instead of, studying for an exam. So don't do that. Really bad influence today. But yeah, go hit the gym. I'm going to go do that. We'll read the verse of the day. In the meantime, as I always say, join SPS. It's in the description. Use that link down there. Should just say SPS. Also join my Discord if you're wanting, help with this. Just talk to me about it, ask questions, whatever you need to do. My Discord's in there. Join from the link in there. It'll take you through WAP. And yeah, just click the free one, or if you want to learn, click the other one. But yeah, let's get into it. So we got Psalms 104. Enter his gates with thanksgiving. Go into his courts with praise. Give thanks to him and praise his name. I mean, we can all assume he's talking about God. Always be there thinking about him. And literally what I've learned in the past couple of weeks is do anything in the name of God. Like here, I was like, dude, let's just start buying and selling. And I was like, wait, let me think about this for a second. That would technically be gambling. Buying, selling, any reversal that I see, just start buying and selling. So instead I looked at like the order flow. I was seeing, okay, there's 1,000 orders coming in right here. And then, other things that I can't really say coming in that I saw, and boom, I would take the long. Got up to $500, get out. Got up to $250, get out. 1-to-1, get out. 1-to-2, get out. Break even, $100 every time. I get break even. That's what it is. What it is. So, yeah, if you're looking at this is not how I usually trade. I'm not too terribly impressed with this. I'm up $1,200, but I'm not putting that in the title because I don't want the wrong impression. I'm going to put my other account that I am actually trying to get a payout with. This is my funded account that I did drive up all the way to, I believe, let me check. You need $53,000 to get a payout. I drove it all the way up to how do I do this? I believe like $100 away from a payout or something like that. What I'm trying to get at is I was super close to getting a payout with this. And unfortunately, it, we went on a little losing streak last week. I'm talking about $300 loss or $400 loss, $700 loss, which is so unacceptable, exactly what happened today, down $500. And then I decided to go in for another trade. And then, you hit stop loss again. But yeah, that's really unfortunate. And, yeah, gotta do something about that. So anyways, if you guys take anything from this, don't do what I did. Don't crash out. Don't make stupid trades. You have a system, follow it. Just be smart. I got super lucky today, and this luck will not continue. Luck doesn't stay forever. Some people get really lucky and keep winning, but you got to assume that it's not going to. So I'm going to go to the gym. I'll catch you guys later. Join the Discord. It's in the description. It's free. Come talk to me, as well as join SPS through that link. Great guys. They live trade every single day. But yeah, I'm rambling at this point. 10 minutes. I'm so sorry. If you're still here, thank you so much. Subscribe and like, that kind of stuff. Goodbye. Oops. Goodbye.